Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the Happy Easter Wits designs ideas and decorated ideas. Wits design for the front door, porch area decoration ideas, porch area decoration with the wits designs, egg wits designs, beautiful and amazing celebration ideas, and I hope you enjoy my collection on daily basis. Best selection, best collection for my viewers, and this collection is very important for you, very stylish and easily available in different stores. Thank you so much guys to watch my videos on daily basis because Easter festival 2022 coming soon, and I think this collection is very useful for you. Share with your family and friends, and tell about the different styles of the Easter wits designs and the Christmas decoration ideas. A best quality and quantity are available on my YouTube channel, so take care.